As we continue exploring the many ways to make good use of a convection speed oven, I wanted to be sure to include a dessert. A popular dessert snack in Australia is slice. Slice is basically cookie dough that has been pressed into a pan, baked, and then you can leave it plain or you can ice it when it's cool. It makes the perfect snack for afternoon tea. There are so many different recipes for slice, but today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate, cherry, and nut slice in the convection speed oven. Now the dough is prepared in the traditional way by creaming butter, lemon zest, and sugar until it's light and fluffy. And then after the egg is added in, the nuts and the cherries are folded into the batter, and finally the sifted flour is added to form the dough. Now, of course, I could just bake the slice in convection and then melt the chocolate to spread over the slice using the customized chocolate melting setting in my microwave. But sometimes speed is of the essence, so I'm actually going to bake the slice in the combination convection microwave mode. I've left the temperature set at 350 degrees, which is the recipe temperature, and I'm using the default microwave setting of 180 watts and setting the timer to 15 minutes. Now it's always better to slightly undercook baked items when baking in the combination mode, as they do continue to cook as they cool down. So a little bit of give in the center is okay. When using microwave power on its own, it's always good to use microwave-safe cookware and to cover it. However, when baking in the combination microwave mode, you can safely use the wire rack in the oven and a metal baking pan. Now, my speed oven does have a microwave power setting specifically for melting chocolate and butter, and it defaulted to 10 minutes, which seemed like a long time. But guess what? No burnt chocolate, and you can see it's melted beautifully and smoothly, perfect for spreading all over my lovely slice. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.